All right, so the first DIY involves these placemats here. So she's gluing these together, adding a wooden ring in the center. Kind of looks like a big flower. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. Wow, absolutely stunning ceiling light design. Oh, I love this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. So next up, it looks like someone is making some type of pillow cover here. So I'm guessing they're using a blanket for this. And it looks like they're doing that kind of like knotted design that's trending right now. Oh, it looks like a little bow. Now this is a cute little idea if you want to like change up your pillowcases without buying anything new. If you have some blankets, you can definitely play around with this idea. I think it's pretty crafty. Oh, that came out so good. It would probably take a couple of tries though to make sure that you get it right though. And then we have a candle holder design. Now this one features kind of like the floating candle effect. I've said this in another video, but I don't know how I feel about the security of this particular design. It just, I wouldn't trust actually lighting that candle with this one. I just wouldn't. That's just me. It's cute though. All right, so we are back at action with another hack. Looks like they have some teddy fabric here. Foldable storage box. Oh, they're adding gold legs. Oh, that is so cute. So it's kind of like a side table where you can obviously put like items in it and use it as like a storage unit. Wow. Okay, that is an easy DIY and I love the upgrade with the gold legs. Such a cool idea. All right, and here's another action hack here. So they have a plant pot. Oh, they have a gold planter now. Gluing two together. Oh yeah, so they're simply just gonna put that in there. Simplest DIY ever. And this looks way more high end and now that she kind of gave it an upgrade. That looks nice, and she didn't even have to worry about spray painting it or anything because it's already painted, so she just glued them together. Very easy project idea. I like this person's aesthetic. They're into neutrals and gold, which is definitely my kind of vibe. And I wonder if they did this wood paneling here on the wall. Very nice. That's what's nice about doing like these DIY projects is they really accent your home and you get original pieces when you do them. So that is really cool. All right, so here's another action hack DIY. Not sure what this was initially supposed to be. It looks just like a big cone or something. So they cut the top part off, put some glue. I have my guesses on what she's making. I'm just not gonna say what it is yet. Okay, so it looks like she added a little bit of a sturdier comb in order to, or cone rather, in order to smooth out the base and balance it. And then she's going in with some paint. Adding some glue and a mirror. Oh. Okay, now obviously this is supposed to be a table, which is what I was thinking it was from the beginning. No, she's painting over the top. Okay. I really liked how this would have looked if she would have left the mirror there. I think that would have been something really spectacular. But this is cool. This is cool. It's a nice little side table. Seems a little wobbly. It's cute though. Like it's something that you can't put like too much on there. Like I don't know if I would trust that glass being on top of the book, but she's making it work. It's a cute idea. I would have liked to have seen how it would have looked with the mirror top though. I feel like that would have looked like so cool. I'm into like mirror style furniture. I have a couple in my home. I like the reflection. All right, so here we have someone making some type of shelving. They're putting some flowers here. These look like the bouquets that you can get at like Michael's. I used them at my wedding. If you want some faux flowers for your wedding, go to Michael's. You will save so much money and they look really good too. Oh, wow. So he put a mirror on top of that and then he's adding in some lighting. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, it's for vanity. Oh, I love this idea. Oh, I hope they show us how it looks lit. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Who would have thought faux flowers behind a mirror would look so elevated and just amazing? Like, I never would have pictured that. That is a pretty cool idea. All right, so we have some wooden pieces here. It looks like initially it was a placemat that they like tore apart. And then they have like an old bottle that they're repurposing. Oh, I think I've seen a similar project before. So I guess they're making like a decorative vase kind of style here. Okay, and then we had some type of sweater that they cut. Oh, they're making a lamp. Wow. Okay, this is really intriguing. Huh, an old sweater. Wow. I thought they were just gonna make like a really simple vase design. Okay, this does look a little wobbly, a little funky. I think the lampshade is too small for the base, but I like the concept. I like the idea. Just a bigger lampshade I think is needed. That's my personal opinion. Yeah, the lampshade looks a little too small for the base. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.